So guys, before we get started, so I want to make a Q&A video because I have new subscribers and it's been a minute since I did a Q&A and I want you guys to know me better. So leave me a question, any questions that you want, really. I'll be so happy to hear from you because I'm planning to make a Q&A and I'm trying to make it like nice and fun. So yeah. Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a strawberry cheesecake bars. So what is special about these? Well, they take less time to make because you know, cheesecake can take up to 2 days to make. 2 days because you have to let it cool till the next day. But with these, you just eat it the same day. And also, I'm making it with fresh strawberries. So we're gonna make our own strawberry sauce, strawberry jam. So delicious and very easy. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is to make our strawberry jam. So in a blender, I'm gonna go ahead and add my fresh strawberries that I washed and I cleaned them. Not cleaned them. I washed them, I cleaned them. No, yeah, I did, but I cut them. So I'm gonna put it in a blender and I'm going to blend it all together until it comes like a puree. So after that, I'm gonna put it on a saucepan over medium heat along with some sugar and some lemon zest. You're gonna mix everything together until the sugar has dissolved. Bring this mixture to a simmer or a boil, and after that you're going to lower the heat to low and you're going to cook this here like for 20 minutes until the jam has thickened. You will see some foam on the top. Make sure you remove that with a spoon. So this is how my strawberry jam looked and it's perfect. I'm just going to transfer it to a bowl and I'm going to allow it to cool. As it cools down, it will thicken up and become beautiful. So I'm just gonna leave that there. And now I'm just gonna work on my cheesecake crust. So I'm using graham crackers. So in this bowl, I have some crushed graham crackers. I'm going to go ahead and add some melted butter. Mix everything together until it becomes like wet sand. And now I'm just gonna place this cookie crumbs in a 9 by 9 inch square pan. And make sure that you line your pan with aluminum foil so that the cheesecake bars come out easily when they're done. So just press down your cookie base there, make sure that it's nice and flat. After that, I'm just gonna place it into the fridge until I'm ready to use it. So now let's work on our cheesecake portion of this. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some softened cream cheese. Make sure that your your cream cheese is nice and soft because it will be easier to mix. So add the cream cheese, sugar and vanilla. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Once it's nice and smooth, you're going to go ahead and add some sour cream. Mix it a little, make sure you don't over mix because you don't want this cheesecake to crack. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. So my cheesecake filling is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add it into my prepared pan. Make sure that you spread it evenly with a spatula. And then I'm just going to take dollops of the strawberry sauce, strawberry jam, and I'm just going to dollop all over the surface of the cheesecake. You can put as much or as little as you want really. And then with I'm using like a lollipop sticks, I'm just gonna go around until like you make like a swirl. So after that, we're gonna bake this at a 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the cheesecake from the oven and you're going to allow it to cool at room temperature for 30 minutes, and then you're gonna pop it into the fridge for, I would say, maybe 2 to 3 hours. It really depends. You want them to be nice and set. And after that, just cut them into square, as small or as big as you want. You are the boss, so you do whatever you want. And that's all. So I just have my piece here and I cannot wait because I am so excited. Oh, it's so creamy. The strawberry, it just, like, if you're gonna make a dessert, why not go all the way up and make like everything from scratch? For example, the strawberry jams. I know you can use store-bought, but the fresh one, take this to another level. So this is a great recipe, like for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is salon. Like, I feel like I can't even speak, guys. I'm sorry. Is that just my excitement? I think your mother will love it. Or anybody, because I took this to my coworkers and they loved it. Unless they were faking it, but not really. But these are so good, guys. I really hope you get to try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The recipe, along with the instructions, everything will be in the description box. And I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.